reasons why you have to invest in treasure real estate Mowe Ofada phase 2. Mowe Ofada is located in a town called Kajola by Mowe Ofada in the Obafemi local government area that is in Ogun State. And this estate is proudly developed and marketed by Agview Investment Limited. Number one, the Gateway International Airport. Just imagine from your location, you can easily drive 10-15 minutes away to the new International Agro Airport. Agro Airport. Just located at iperu, edition. As we speak today, you can book a flight from this airport with just 110 to Abuja every day. They started that last week. So, and look at the, let me quickly reach the airport, the next slide. The airport has the most advanced technology, not because, it said the airport features a 4-kilometer long runway, which is the longest in Nigeria today, making it a Class E airport that can accommodate large aircraft such as Boeing 777, 747, or Airbus 330. The aircraft parking area, built on 82,000 square meters of land, can accommodate up to 20 aircraft. So you are living very close to that massive infrastructure. You can easily get out, move anywhere. We don't have to depend only on our Ikeja airport. That's the number 2. The location is strategic. Close to Lagos, close to Ogun, it's in Ogun State. You can easily navigate and connect anywhere you are going. There is Sea of Hope. The title is 100% genuine. Sea of Hope. Number 4, you can live there today. You can move in. You can live in that very estate today. It's livable. Number 5, there is strong connection with phase 1. Treasure Estate phase 1 is the biggest privately owned estate in Ogun State today. We have built over 1,500 houses and over 400 residents are currently living there. So the phase 2 is an offshoot of this very estate. So we are committed into delivering homes, affordable homes here. The developer's track record. As Agview Investment Limited, we are the developer. And we also, now we are marketing it. We have got a track record. We have our 4 Ds. We are always determined to achieve anything we want to achieve. We always develop all our estates. We make sure that we process our documents and we deliver. Anything you buy from us, you get it delivered to you. Because this always encourage our clients. When you develop the site, even investors will actually have value for money. Because their properties, their land will appreciate in value. And number 2, it will also encourage them to want to live in the estate. Because they are seeing development. They want to come and build. They want to move in. Not a forest. Number 7. Well-developed environment. The area is well-developed. Kajola alone has about 5,000 residents. It's a community for the estate. Kajola. So the area is not, they're not taking it to one bush that's isolated. Number 8. The land is dry, solid. It's not waterlogged. It's up. In fact, it's hilltop, high hill. And the advantage of you buying on the high hill like that, you enjoy cross ventilation. You enjoy fresh air. You appreciate the value. 4 years ago, a plot of land was made for 850,000 naira in this estate. Today is 5 million naira. And it will keep appreciating. Now that we are coming up with massive housing projects, the price of the land will what? Appreciate. Affordability and flexibility. As of today, a square meter is selling for 10,000 naira. And it's flexible. 12-month interest-free payment plan. The 3-bedroom bungalow is selling for 42.5 with terrace roof, ample parking space, and you also have 12 months interest-free. No interest. Business opportunities. For you out there, you are working now. There is life after service. You have to plan for your future. Plan for your retirement. Because it will surely come. So when you buy this, you can build a school. Depends on what you are currently doing. An hospital, you know, you can build a shopping mall. You can build a hotel. You can do so many things here. You can build a recreation center where people will actually be coming. You can build a resort center. So many things. We have seen this in phase 1. As of today, we have people who are doing that business in phase 1. So you can find the residential now and do the business. By then you'll be living in your house and you are doing the business. As you are living, you are also making money. The area is well, it's peaceful, no issues, no wahala, no Fulani herdsmen, no Boko Haram, no banditry, no kidnappers, nothing. Very peaceful environment. I tell you this very well. Because the area is saturated with development and with serious-minded individuals. Either they are in the residential areas doing or they are, in their business outfit companies. So when you no time for easy access to neighboring state and many other parts of the country. From treasure phase 2, you can get to anywhere in the country. Just connect yourself to Shagamu interchange under the bridge. From there, you can get a bus to anywhere you go. To Ibadan, to Ogun State, to Shagamu, to you surely get a bus. Even to the northern part of the country. Cost of living is relatively cheap and access to fresh farms. There are several farms there. You have Shio Market, Owode Market, Shagamu Market, Yamosu Market, Orilemo, Mutuna Farm, Profundis Farm. You eat fresh farm produce that comes from nearby farms to your house. Food without preservatives. From the farm to your kitchen. In fact, there are some that you don't even need to buy. Most of the leaves, you can just plant ugu leaf, water leaf, bitter leaf, you just be having free. I'm free at General. We are just easy access of building materials for construction activities. All the building materials can be easily sourced locally within reach. The cost of transportation would actually be reduced drastically because the location is central to most of these materials. You can easily get them just at a stone. For example, look at this company called CDK. CDK, by interchange, just go in there, buy your tags and go back. Coleman, Arego, they will sell. Ogun sharp sand is the best in Nigeria for construction activities. Sharp sand. Let's go. Government presence, like roads, they are building the Shagamu interchange road. In fact, they are building almost all the roads connected to that place. They have worked on the Kuto. They have completed that. The Shagamu to Ikebu is undergoing construction every day. Makalanto to interchange work is ongoing. And also there is the power project at Alonsogo, which gives light almost at 22 hours every day because of most of the industries around that area. And there is also there's tax rebate for multinationals. So this brings about more of interconnection, with residents, companies, and government. And that's why they do more of social CSR. You see them going to schools to give them books, give them school uniforms. So there are several. Drilling boreholes, buying transformers, and that's it. Because governments are interested. Government of Ogun State, they are very conscious. They are on ground. And there is nothing like demolition there. So it's, you can easily go in there and invest. Proximity to Shagamu interchange industrial area. All these companies are just within reach. Toyota, Nestle, Flour Mills, Holland, Apple PS, Chinese, CDK, international breweries. International breweries alone, very massive. International breweries. International breweries has over 1,000 workers. How many? Over 1,000 what? Yes. Thank you. Number 18. Proximity to good secondary schools and universities. Trinity College is where? In Ofada. This Anthony Bridge Academy is where? Ofada. Solid Foundation is in Ofada. Wellspring Day, Ofada. The Ottoman College is on Kuto, Ibadan Express, owned by the former PT Bank MD. Now you are doing Ogun. Look at universities: Mountain Top, Christopher, Christian, McPherson, Olabisi Obanjo, Taisho Larin, Best of Agriculture Abeokuta, Gateway ICT, Para, Shara. 19. Churches, camps, Jehovah's Witness, Redemption Camp, Believers Love War. Even for Muslims, you have that start. So you can easily do your, we are religious conscious in Africa. So you can easily go there, you can sleep in the church for 5 days. Good for you. Your own mountain.
Yes. By
having your own property. So when you have your own property, you have secured your own future. And you can always have that property as your steady what? Mountain. Very simple. Number 20. Tree planting initiative by all residents. All homeowners in the estate will be advised to leave 1 meter setback from their land for planting of trees. This is one of our estates. Bluestone Phase 1 extension. Everybody building there, they have left, they left 1 meter setback for planting of trees only. Because we want to support nature. We don't want excessive heat. We don't want overflooding. We want to remove carbon from the atmosphere. We want to live closer to nature. Because as we are clearing those trees to build, to construct roads, we need to replace them because they are the ones giving us what? Oxygen. When they soak in the carbon which we are emitting. So it's very important for us to do this, and we are going to do it. Let me show you. Advantages of planting of trees. Clean air, and that's it. Conclusion. Buying land in Treasure Island Estate Phase 2 Mowe Ofada is not just about holding property. I always like to read this. I want to get to it. It's about securing future wealth. I have seen that. Getting a solid foothold in Mowe Ofada real estate boom. If you get the time to buy land in Mowe Ofada, if you don't have 50 million, you'll not be able to buy one. You are saying it now. Somebody is just, it's doing like this. Investing in land is as old as time itself, and it has over time proven to be a wise investment choice. Only to the fact that land is a tangible asset. You can feel it. Doesn't depreciate, doesn't wear out. You cannot steal it. It provides you with peace, knowing your investment is secure, and you don't have to be burdened. Investing in land is one of the best investments for investors. It can be more profitable than any other trading plan if you invest in the right organization, like IQ Investment Limited, right property like Treasure Island Estate Phase 2, and right location like Mowe Ofada by the Shagamu interchange. In IQ Investment Limited, we don't only build cities, we build lands. Thank you.